Alright, how are you doing, guys? It's your boy Dave Partner, and this is a quick summary of what this course is all about. Alright, so this course is about buying products online and selling them at several times the value. Now we're going to have to look for somewhere where the products are sold cheap and in good quality, and then we move over to our own platform and sell it a little more expensive. All right, this is basically the root of every business. This is how every business operates. Even the storefront in front of whatever place you are staying, in front of your street or whatever, what they do is they buy products cheap and then they sell it expensive, a little more expensive. That's how they make money. But the advantage with our own system is that we are not buying the products before we sell them. We sell them, get the money, and then we buy the product. So we will never have any cash flow problem, never. All right, so we sell out the product first. When customer pays us the expensive price, then we go and buy it for cheap and have it delivered to the customer. So then the other thing you need to know about this system is that it is it is 100% online, so you will never have to touch the product. So we are trying to avoid a system where we have to do anything in terms of touch the product or handle delivery, nothing. Okay, so this is what we're going to do in this course. We'll set up this platform and some other mini platforms associated with it, so that the software does number one thing automatically for us. The first thing it does, it goes to this platform. Our software automatically goes to this platform, finds a product at a cheap price. All right, when it finds it, it imports it into our store. We're going to create this online platform and then get a web domain for it, and then it will be like let's say your name is James. We can say jamesstores.com, you understand, or James Online Jewelry. The way somebody has Gucci, somebody has Versace, you can use your own name. Okay, so this is jamesstores.com, which is the one I'm going to teach you how to set up here. Remember that there will be no programming at all. You're not going to write any code at all. Okay, so it's just click, drag and drop. Then we build our own store. Then we set up our software. Our software will be intelligently going to this place, fetch the products at a cheap price, come here, and then we will have it inflated to, let's say the cost of the product here is I estimate, let's say $3 US dollars. All right, so the cost of the product here is $3, and then right here we're going to sell it for $15. Okay, so you see a massive difference in price. And remember that even though we're selling it for $15 and all, we aren't touching the product. So the customer, our platform, the customer does not know about this platform. We are the only ones that know which country this thing is in. Different countries, Germany, US or China. All right, we are contacting manufacturers. Our software is contacting manufacturers that manufacture certain products. Okay, then when the manufacturer is contacted, our software will import the product features and description and everything to our online store. So when this person goes to our customer, goes to our online store, they will see the different products: wristwatches, shoes, t-shirts, whatever you can think of, even as much as cars. All right, so they see it here and they click and make payment. All right, now they have made payment. Our software will automatically go to this other website and contact these manufacturers and give them the address of our customer. All right, now our customer's address is on. Our customer will give us their address. Our software will ship it to these people. So these people will deliver to our customer. Remember that our software will pay these people their normal $3 for the product. All right, so what happens is the manufacturer gets their $3 and they ships it to this customer, while on our own part, our software will remove $3 from $15 that the customer paid us. Remember that the customer paid us this $15, so our software will deduct $3. It will remain $12. So this software will send $12 to our bank account. All right, So this is the business. As you can see, it's minimal efforts. There is no business as sweet as this business. And as you can see, there are no calculations, no mathematics, no binary options, no trading, no signals, no cryptocurrency, nothing. All right. So this is an oversimplification of the whole process, but I wanted you to understand exactly the whole process. Now, what happens is that we don't handle, there are so many advantages with this system. We don't handle shipping. The supplier handles this shipping. So let's say somebody in Nigeria comes to our platform and buys our product, uses their credit card or bank transfer to make payments. Our software automatically goes to these people, pays them the amount they are selling the product, and then gives them the address of our customer automatically. So it starts shipping. This software will be updating us on where the product is at any particular point in time. All right. So let's say this person, you are living abroad. Let's say you're living in Germany. You built this site for Nigerians. Nigerians go here buy, and then this supplier might be in China. All right. So this Chinese supplier puts it in an airplane and is heading to Nigeria. They'll be telling you on day 1 it's so and so place. On day 2 it has arrived Nigerian airport. Day 3, by day 6 they should get this. All right. So if you've taken course 1, you see that the main problem with course 1 is that this delivery time is so much. It's too long. All right. This delivery time is between 20 to 60 days. No customer, or only few customers want to wait this length of time. Nobody really wants to wait 20 to 60 days. That's a lot of time. All right. But with the formula we're teaching in this course, and these automatic softwares we're going to set on platforms, and the tiny little tips and tricks I'm going to give you during the masterclass, you will see that this delivery will take only 6 days instead of 20. Most customers are comfortable with 6-day delivery, like 99% of customers. All right. As they are purchasing the product, your store will automatically tell them that on so and so date is when you're going to receive your delivery, and then automatically it orders for the product, and then they get the delivery. All right. Same thing. Let's say the customer is feeling bad and needs a refund. They just go to your platform, automatically ask for a refund, and then they could get it automatically if you set it like that. All right. And then they have to return the product. Most customers won't return the product. Won't ask for a refund because they will find it hard to return the product. Okay, now remember that in all these things you have not actually done anything outside setting of the software. You're probably chilling somewhere in some foreign country on the beach, all right, enjoying yourself. That is the idea of this, with your laptop, maybe small MacBook that you're using to occasionally check into your platform and monitor sales. Now your main assignment will be to drive more customers. You want more people because you make more money when you drive more customers to this platform. Okay, so initially when you start, there will be 0 customers. In fact, I don't even expect you to make money within the first 2 weeks here on this platform. But after 2 weeks, you understand, you have already set up all the platform. Yes, you're following my guide. Do exactly what I did in the guide. All right, the videos I'm going to send, you're going to get, you do exactly what is there. Within the first 2 weeks, you've set it up completely. Once you've set it up, I'll be there with you in the next 2 weeks, so that I can be able to guide you, look at your store, make sure you're doing things well, and so on. And then once the platform is set up, we have to employ strategies to drive people. Everything is online. All right. So we have to employ strategies to drive people from Facebook, from Instagram, from Google. All right. There are 2.2 billion people on Facebook. 2.2 billion. So you can be rest assured that you can be a multi-billionaire. All your customers are on Facebook. That's what it means. That's the translation. 2.2 billion people. That's more than the people in China, if I'm correct. All right. So all your customers are on Facebook. The same thing with Google. Do you know how many billions of searches that happen per day? All right. People are buying products online per day in millions, billions. All right. So we just need to tap into that huge market. That's what this is about. It's about wealth transfer. Now, why this process is not for broke people or people that don't have capital is that driving customers to your platform requires some sort of initial investment with money. All right. So for instance, let me give you an example. It's whatever you invest, you are supposed to earn like 8,000, not 8,000 now, let me say 1000% of it. That's the rough estimate. So I have two people, one abroad, one of my other students. He invested $800, all right, to drive traffic, all right. He invested $800 to drive traffic. So after investing $800, the same day he spent $800, that same very day, guess how much he made back? He made $8,000 times 10 of the amount of money he invested. Okay, so now this is for somebody in the US, because people that make more money from this are usually people in saner economies and saner climes where things are working better. I know a lot of Nigerians that make money from it. People in Nigeria make money from it. Kenyans, okay. Some of my students are from Ghana, all right. It works within these economies, but I'm just saying that if you are in a foreign economy, it works way better, way better, all right. If you're in Nigeria, you can make, if you are making 3.6 million naira from your store per month in Nigeria, if you're in the US, you'll be making about 50 to 100 million naira. That's how crazy different it is. So the person in Nigeria, I know, he invests $50 in adverts, all right. He invests $50 in adverts, then he makes about 300,000 naira in profit, all right. For every $50 he invests, he makes 300,000. So you now see his limitation is simply how far do you want to grow? You understand? How big do you want to grow? That's how much. You understand? I know people that once they perfect this system, they just go to a bank, take a loan, and blow this thing up. That's how people reach $400,000 per month. You understand? I know people that once you perfect this system. So I usually advise people, apart from the money you're using to get this course, keep aside $200, $500 aside, all right? Because you're going to spend it here. I'm going to teach you step by step exactly what to do. That money will not be wasted, all right? And I want to stay with you till you make your first $5,000, $10,000, all right? Which means I want to be sure that you recover the money you spent on this course, and also you are good enough to carry yourself. So once that $500, $800, $1,000 has brought you enough profits, now you understand the full process. Now you can go to your savings account, pull out some money, and pump it in here, and then of course your sales will shoot up the roof. All right, there is no limit. Like, nobody's holding you. There's no limit. I've seen people make $17,000 per month. I've seen people make $60,000 the first month. All right. I've seen people move to $200,000 within 4 months. All these things depend on how much, how far you're willing to go. All right. So, but I usually advise people the first month, don't jump in with both feet. All right, because there are so many things you've not perfected. Just spare $500 on your own that you will spend on adverts, and you know that you're not paying me this $500. You will be paying it to Google, to Facebook, to Twitter, to Instagram. Okay, I'll show you exactly. Now, don't go and try and do it yourself without seeing the secret behind it. That's why people take courses. If you try and do it yourself, you waste money and you will not get anything. All right, but the method I will show you has worked for so many of my students, and I'm sure it's going to work for you. All right, so I hope this makes sense. Now, to get this course, you have to, if you're on the course page already, just scroll down and click the enroll button. But if you are on YouTube, you can see the links below. I'm talking, this is for course level 2. Course level 1 is the same thing, but the problem is that it is manual. You have to get the product. They don't send the product directly to the user. They have to send the product to you, and then you have to repackage the product, and then you look for a delivery man that will deliver it to the user. That's why it's very manual. But course level 2 is for people that really want to build a huge business. If you want to build a huge business, this is the course to take. Okay, so you'll see the link to 2 of them in the comment section below, or the description section. So choose which one that most relates to you. You also see my contacts in case you need to ask any questions, and I'm also monitoring the comments in the comment section below, and I will reply if you have any questions. All right, thank you very much. See you.